Hello bee friends, today we're going to be showing you how to use Hive tools. So Hive tools are instrumental in being able to observe what's going on in the hive. I have here actually just a split apart hive. This is a double deep with a super on top. I've installed spacers to space out so that we're only at 9 frames in each of the boxes. And I'm just going to show you very quickly how to actually use various Hive tools. I only have 2 Hive tools on me. This is a standard J tool, which is takes its name from this particular portion of the Hive tool. And I have what I grew up with, which was a standard Hive tool. Both of them have sharp ends, things to scrape, and both of them have tool ends. So, how to use a J tool? Pretty simple. Step 1, you take this part, you go into the hive. We're going to do that right here. And what we're looking for is a space where there aren't really any bees. And what we want to do is a prying motion. So check this out. We're going to go here, and we're going to go boop. We're just doing a little bit of pressure on this side. And the same thing over here. Notice again, we're going to miss that cluster of bees. We're going to go boop, boop. Once we've done that, once we've done a little bit of pressure, we're going to use the hook side. We're going to slip in so that the hook is facing down. We're going to rotate this back. Oh, try that again, Jeff. Hook in, rotate back, and lift. See? We're just up a little bit. Do the same thing over here. Hook in, rotate, and up. Now we can lift this particular frame out of place. Literally by hand. We can just go boop and take it out. So, how do you do that with a standard Hive tool? Similar technique. We're going to take the standard Hive tool. We're going to go to this end frame here. And we're going to go boop. Boop. Missing that particular bee. Over here. Boop. Boop. And then we put the Hive tool in here. And we use the top of the frame as the point to lift. See? Oh. There we go. We use the top of the frame as the point to lift. See that? Do it again. See, we're only in like 3/4 or maybe halfway down the frame, pardon the smoke, and we're just going to lift. So that's how you use a Hive tool. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you some other time. I think this week I am also going to start putting out some Hive updates to tell you how things are going. At least in my farm, Carebrock Farm.